What's going on, my YouTube fam? Yes, I'm here to convince you to subscribe and follow my channel. Straight up, guys, what am I gonna got to lose, guys? I got 20 years plus of collecting sneakers. If you want to be correct about it, if you want to be all specific about it, 21 years exactly of collecting sneakers. Guys, I decided to review shoes. I decided to review clothing. I decided to review hats. I decided to review anything that comes along. I'll review your grandmother on a wheelchair if I have to. I do it all. I'm definitely not a reseller. Now that I think about it, that whole wheelchair thing, that was kind of awkward. But it don't matter, guys. I bring the energy. I bring it like if it was in the living room and we're conversing between you and me. Yes, the controversy, I has to bring it. I has to bring it. It is what it is. I call it Alduredi. Me dicen el machete afilado. So if you want to get to the nitty gritty, join a real community without the whole reselling, without all the hype, even though I do bring you the hype. But you guys want to join a good community over here, having a good time with positive energy and always keeping things going forward. Guys, this is the channel for you. I'm being raw, I'm being uncut. I just do it the way it has to be done. And I'm not gonna go and filter everything, guys. Welcome to my channel. Roll my intro, because we ain't got time to waste.